Welcome to the Navien stand. We're at the NEC in Birmingham. I want to go through some history of our product and give you a bit of an overrun of our heat exchangers. We've been in the market for around about 40 years. As you'll be seeing here in front of you, you'll be seeing the first generation of our first condensing boiler heat exchanger. Moving through to our second gen, that was launched out in 1998, as you can see on the front there. A little bit of a copper top heat exchanger into a first stainless steel sump. Then moving on to the third generation. This is a split core high condensing heat exchanger made with a plate heat exchanger to the lowest section, which can trap and lock in the condensation, which creates a great energy trap for capturing the energy before it's lost out the flue. And then leading on to our current, most modern, up-to-date heat exchanger, as you can see there, full stainless steel construction with the turbulation section in the middle to make sure that when the water's flowing through, it's keeping an even flow without any drop or heat loss.
If you want the best deals on hand tools, power tools and accessories like what you see on this channel delivered to your inbox every single week at 6 p.m. on a Tuesday, hit the link in the description and join Tool Talk for free today.